So let's now learn how to rotate an image. So I'm going to create a new function here, and then I'm going to name it rotate underscore image. And then I'm going to open the image that I want to rotate. Let's work on the coconut image. So I'm going to copy this line, and then I'm going to paste it inside this function. And then in order to rotate an image, it's very, very simple in Python. You can simply call the rotate function. So here I'm going to say coconut image and then dot rotate, and then you can pass the degree. Let's pass 90, and then dot show to show the rotated image. And then I'm going to call this function rotate image, and then I'm going to save and run our script. And here I'm going to say run Python file in terminal. So as you can see now, the image has been rotated 90 degrees. So this is the original image is like this. The original image is like this, but we rotated the image 90 degrees. Let's rotate it 180 degrees and see what's going to happen. Let me save and run our script. Run Python in terminal. And now it will be rotated 180 degrees, as you can see. It has been flipped over, as you can see. And by the way, it's better to edit this function instead of just passing the number like this. We need to pass a parameter for this degrees. Instead of just hard coding this number, we can pass here a variable parameter called degrees, and here we pass the degrees, and here you can pass the degrees. You can here say 80 degrees, 90 degrees, whatever degrees you want. And if you run your script, it will run successfully. As you can see, now the image has been rotated 80 degrees.